Walk On.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, and today we are at Magic Kingdom because it is officially spooky season. Bad thing, it's been kind of a rainy day, so I don't know if we're going to be able to see any of the cavalcades, but we are going to try some of these Halloween snacks. So if you're ready, let's get on to have a magical rainy day here at Disney. Look, Mickey pumpkins! No characters as of yet. There is no Scarecrow pumpkin, guys. There's only those Mickey pumpkins and a little bit of fall everywhere.
They should have.
Let's get the money shot. The castle. Alright. And there's the castle. She's a beaut. Disney went very, very minimalistic this year with the fall decorations. I'm guessing because there's no Mickey's Not So Scary this year. But the cast members are wearing their Not So Scary Halloween costumes. I'm super excited about that. That is so cute. So we wanted to go into the Emporium, but it's a little bit of a wait. So I made the mistake of trying to go to Character Warehouse this morning. It was like a 3-hour wait. I'm hungry for food, so I don't want to eat something sweet yet. So we're gonna stop by, since we just walked in, Cosmic Rays to get the Monster Burger. That is the Halloween specialty burger that they have. So let's go get that. So this is the Mickey Monster Burger, and it's a Mickey on the bun. He's pressed on the bun, and there's bacon, monster cheese, tater tots, lettuce, tomato, cheese, regular cheese. So yeah, let's try this out and see how it tastes. I'm gonna tell you, this is a very messy burger. I just took it off to take off the tomatoes, and like, look at this. That is so messy. This is $13.99, and it comes with a side of fries. If you want a soda is extra. I just got a cup of iced water. I'm gonna try this side because this side has like all the fixings on it. So let's see. Also has a sriracha aioli. That burger is pretty good. It's actually very good. I like it. I really like the sriracha aioli because I like spicy stuff. It's like the normal price of theme park food, $13.99 with fries. I really like this one, and I would personally get it again. Hoping to the cloudiness and the rain goes away so we can see some cavalcades. We're here in front of Anti-Gravity's, which is also in Tomorrowland, and they have two Halloween treats. They have the pumpkin spice sundae, and they have the pumpkin spice milkshake. So I actually want to go with the milkshake, and it has a little Mickey marshmallow on it. So I'm excited for that. So let's get in line and order it. Okay, so we found a place here by the People Mover. The People Mover is still closed for refurbishment, so not that many people are here, just a bunch of strollers. So we're gonna try. This is so good. It tastes like pumpkin pie. Like
Pumpkin pie.
it tastes like you're drinking a pumpkin pie. If your hands are wet and if you touch the marshmallow, it's like food coloring, so it gets all over the place. But let's try this marshmallow. Let's see. It tastes just like a regular marshmallow, just coated orange. Done with the foods, and they were both good. I like those two both. They were both delicious. That pumpkin pie felt like you just took a piece of pumpkin pie and just put it in a milkshake. That was so good, so delicious. But now we're going back down Main Street because it's not rainy, kind of cloudy. I want to see if they're gonna let some cavalcades run by. The sun is wanting to come out, but look at that beauty. I actually really love the colors of the castle. I think it really turned out great, and yeah, it's so pretty. And there's a cavalcade coming, one of the Halloween cavalcades. I think it's the villain's one. I'm not sure. So let's see it. But look who's here. Can I just say real quick how much I love these luxury bags? My sister got me this one for my birthday. I love it. It's my favorite. Called the villains in Perfume Bottles. So like that's Cruella de Vil, Jafar, Hades, the Queen of Hearts, Ursula. They have Maleficent. It fits so much stuff. I actually have 3 of them. They are so compact and they fit so much stuff. It fit my stabilizer, my phone stabilizer, my mic, an extra pair of clothes for my daughter, wipes, extra masks, hand sanitizer, a sunscreen, like everything. My wallet. It literally fit so much stuff, especially if you come by yourself. Like I highly recommend you investing in one of these. They are kind of pricey, but sometimes they go on sale at Hot Topic and Box Lunch. Taking some pictures for my Instagram. I want to see if there's any more Cavalcades coming. I really want to see the maybe for Christmas ones. Oh my god! Show you guys my shoes real quick. Shock, Lock, and Barrel. Oogie Boogie. But not only are the Halloween cavalcades here, there are also the princess cavalcades like you just saw. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna ride some rides. So we came through the side of the castle and there is this trick that most likely probably everybody knows already. But this is Cinderella, and as you see there's a crown there. And then if you get right there, right in front of her, you can see that she's wearing the crown. Alright, fun fact, let's go into Sir Mickey's real quick so I can show you guys the giant. There's the giant, but we're going to see him inside. Look, there's the giant. So there it is in full. There's the giant from Mickey and the Beanstalk. Look at there's Mickey on top of the Beanstalk right there. It's Sunday. It was a rainy day most of the day. Now it's like sprinkling and the sun is out. But it is kind of crowded, but not... Okay, so it's crowded for what we've seen, or for what I've seen lately. But it's not crowded to the point like I've seen the Magic Kingdom crowded before. There's still areas where you can safely like move to the side and social distance. I think it's better to come during the week. So we're gonna go ahead and ride Dumbo, which it's a 5-minute wait. All right, Dumbo, 0-minute wait. We literally just ran on. There's the crane for Tron. I love Dumbo. So the big ticket rides like Haunted Mansion and Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, they have about a 30 to 45-minute wait, which it's unbelievable if you've been here before, everything. But rides like Dumbo, it says 5 minutes. We walked right on. So much fun. One thing that you gotta know about Disney is that they require you to have your mask on at all times, unless you're eating and drinking. You know, you steady. Like if you get yourself to the side social distance, and you can take off your mask to drink something or eat something. Even for pictures, we were there in front of the castle. I was taking pictures, and we were also like admiring, and there was a cast member telling everybody that even for pictures, you have to keep your mask on. So please note that if you're coming to the parks. All right, so now we're gonna do Journey Under the Sea, the Little Mermaid ride, because we kind of need some AC. Also, in all the lines, there are social distancing markers where you need to stop. Oh my God, I already feel the AC. Awesome. Where you need to stop. Some are 6 feet apart, some are more than 6 feet apart. So, depends on the ride. It said 15 minutes in the front. So far, it's been 1 minute. And we're already almost inside. I can already feel the AC. So sometimes the wait times that are posted outside are not really the correct ones. Look at this. Bye, Scuttle.
Bye-bye. I've been working too hard sorting Ariel's human stuff. This is a great
Little Mermaid Walk On. Not even like a 2-minute walk. It's straight on. Last time we were here, the Ariel animatronic was stuck looking up. So let's hope they fixed her now.
You've come to a stop. Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this. Yes, off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land makes happy, and the sad goes the Indian moon.
The winds of the Caspian Sea.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my.
Winnie the Pooh, it says it's a 10-minute wait. Let's see how long it really is. So all the play areas in Winnie the Pooh are closed due to COVID and all the restrictions. So the kids cannot play in the play area. Like Rabbit's Garden is closed off. The little tree house right there is closed off. Everything is closed off due to safety concerns. As you can see, interactive honey thing closed off. And this has been, we have been walking for not even a minute, and we're already in the front.
Come bounce with me. Bounce will make you feel just great, doesn't it? I almost bounced right out of the ride.
So kind of ready for another Halloween treat. I'm not gonna have all of them today. I want to leave some for next time, you know, do them throughout the time that they're gonna have them. It's until October 31st, as well as adults can wear costumes until October 31st, which is a first. Usually it's during the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. They're not having it this year. We are now getting on Peter Pan. It says 25-minute wait. I think it will be about 25 minutes, but we'll see. One thing to know about rides like Winnie the Pooh, where sometimes they will put you with another person, they do not do that. You get a whole honey pot all to yourself. Test Track, you get a whole car all to yourself. So if you're like a party of one, you're gonna get that whole car all to yourself. You're not gonna share it with anybody else. Just like the Winnie the Pooh ride and other rides that you would usually share with somebody, you wouldn't. There's Stinky. There's Nana's house. They don't have the bells. They used to have the bells last time we rode it.
Okay, now walk after Daddy. And off we go!
Hey, that one looks like Ariel. Oh no,
Peter Pan's flight posted 25 minutes. It was actually a 5-minute wait. If you come like later on in the day, there's going to be shorter waits for most attractions. So, okay. Haunted Mansion posted wait time 15 minutes. Let's see how long it really is. Haunted Mansion is kind of different in that the stretching room scene is cut out. There's no stretching room scene. You just go straight on.
Of hitchhiking ghosts.
So we got Constance's wedding cake. So it's a raspberry like custard with a lemon cake, and then this little axe is made out of chocolate. So we're gonna try to see where we can go and eat it to try it. Wow, that's actually pretty good. It's cool too. That's what the inside looks like. So the cake is lemon, and this is like raspberry filled, but it's actually pretty good. The raspberry thing is like cold, so it's kind of like refreshing, and the raspberry really goes with the lemon. So yeah, I would definitely get this again. So there you have it, an excellent day at Magic Kingdom. We tried the Monster Burger, we tried the pumpkin shake, and we tried Constance's cake. We also did buy the Mickey Halloween pumpkin bucket. It is the cutest thing ever. My daughter is in love with it, has not left it. So that bucket is $18. And whenever you bring it back, it's a $2 refill. The regular popcorn bucket is $12, so it's only a $6 difference. Gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Disney videos, and I'll see you on the next one. So make sure to stay magical and have a great day. Bye everybody.